How to use Dsers with Shopify. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can use Dsers in Shopify. Now, first of all, what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that provides software and services to merchants, allowing them to create and manage online store. It was founded in 2004 and has since become one of the leading e-commerce platforms in the world, with over 1 million businesses using Shopify to sell their products and services online. Shopify offers a variety of features and tools to help merchants build and customize their online store, manage inventory and orders, process payments, and market their products. The platform is known for its easy use and scalability, making it a popular choice for business of all sizes and industry. Shopify also offers a range of apps, integrations that allow merchants to extend the functions of their online store and integrate with other tools they may use, such as accounting software, email marketing platforms, and social media channels. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to create an account in Shopify, or you can log in. We're simply going to click on Start Free Trial. Now, this will redirect you to this page where it's going to ask you a lot of questions. Now, the first question is, which of this describes you the best? I'm going to click on I'm just starting. Click Next. Where would you like to sell? We're going to put on online store. Then next. What do you plan to sell first? I'll decide later. And now we can create a store name. I'm going to put a store name called Coffee Grilled Love. And then we're going to click on Next. Then you're going to choose on which region you are going to be from. Then we're going to click on Next. Now over here, you can create your Shopify ID through email, through Apple, through Facebook, or through Google. I'm going to click on through Google. After signing up, we would be redirected to this page where we can see that Shopify is currently building our store. Now we're going to have to wait for a little bit. Now over here, we are now at the dashboard of Shopify. There's a lot of things we have to do before we can set up a store, like add our first product, and brand assets, and customize themes, and add a custom domain. Then what we're going to do is look on the left side, and then we can see down here where it says apps. We're simply going to click on apps, add apps. And then over here, we can see that there's a lot of other apps over here. What we're going to need is Dsers right here. Now, if you can't find Dsers in this area, you can simply scroll down and then click on this hyperlink called Shopify App Store. Now, it's going to redirect us to the App Store of Shopify. Now, we can see here once again on the popular with stores like me, we have the Dsers over here. If it doesn't appear again, you can simply click on the search bar, then click, and then search Dsers. And then it will appear over here. Then you're going to click this. Then we're going to click on Add App. Now we are redirected back to Shopify. Then we can see over here, we have a lot of information. And then what we're going to click on is Install App. Now it's going to redirect us to this page where we would need to create an account, or you can just register yourself. We're going to create an account for you. Then we're going to be redirected to this page about pricing. We have monthly plan and annual payment plan. The enterprise version is $4.99 per month. The pro version is $49 per month, and the advanced version is $19 per month. Of course, right now we're just gonna go with the basic free. Click on Get Started, and then we're gonna click Link to AliExpress. Now we're redirected here where it's going to ask for permission to connect Dsers and AliExpress. We're simply gonna click on I agree to the terms and agreement, and then authorize. Now we're redirected back to here. This is the tutorials. We can simply skip this by clicking on I will explore freely and learn later. And now again, we are redirected over here to AliExpress. When you hover over a specific item, you can see that we can add to import list or have the supplier optimizer. Now we're gonna pick a random product. I'm going to choose this sunglasses over here. Then we're simply gonna click to add to import list. Now this message will appear saying that the product is imported. Now we're going to go and click go to import list to check. Then as you can see, we have our product over here. I also added another product over here accidentally. And then the next thing we're going to do is click on the checkbox and then click on push to Shopify. And then it will give us choices like which store we want it to be added to, the pricing rule, continue selling even if without stock, or also publish to online store. We're gonna enable also publish to online store. Then we're gonna click push to Shopify. As you can see, we have one product being pushed. Now we're gonna go back to Shopify and then we're gonna click on products. As you can see, our product has now been imported to the Shopify shop. Our product is now imported to the Shopify shop and the status is currently active. Now, if you want to add more, you can go back to the AliExpress shop from earlier, or we can go and click import or search by simply putting in a URL from the AliExpress. And we're going to do just that by going to AliExpress right here. Then we're going to pick a random product like this clothing over here. And then we're going to copy its URL. And then we're going to paste it over here. Now, as you can see, the product is once again uploaded to our import list. Then we can simply click on the checkbox and then push to Shopify and then change our preferences, push to Shopify once again. Then we wait for it to finish publishing. Then as you can see, it's successful. And then when we go back to Shopify, we can see that our product is here again. You can select your products that you have just added and you can bulk edit, set as active, set as draft, or you can archive the product, delete the products, add available channels, remove available channels. You can add tags, remove tags, add to collections, or remove to collections. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Dsers in Shopify. Thanks for watching.